Did you finish packing for your TDY trip? This is all you packed for a 4-day trip?
Yeah, that single piece is all I need.
Really? Just one? Hun, I need toilet paper.
Here?
What?
Just a single sheet is enough, right? You just need one seaweed paper, right?
My husband is overly stingy. Huh? Where did all the detergent go?
I got rid of them. We just need one sheet of this. One sheet is enough. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent.
One piece of this, one piece of that? How am I supposed to do laundry with just one?
Check this out. Take a single sheet, put it in the middle, then you run it. That's it.
One is all I need?
It removes all types of grime, has a good scent, and is allergen-free, causes no allergy, and brightens white clothes. It's also eco-friendly with plant-based ingredients. Can also be used to hand wash clothes. And dissolves easily in cold water. Convenient, isn't it? You can also just use half.
And it is easy to clean after.
One sheet equals 55 grams of powder or 60 milliliters of fluid detergent.
I don't have to worry about measuring these.
Right? A single sheet is enough, right?
Here, a single bill is enough for allowance, right?
Hun, but for allowance, 10,000 won is a bit, considering my age. Thank you. It's enough. Clean and keep tidy with a single sheet of
Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent.